Hey everyone, want to more private browsing experience on your Samsung phone? In this 2026 guide, I will show you how to enable private DNS in just a few simple steps. No technical skill unneeded, and the process only takes a few minutes. Let's get your device set up quickly, safely, and with confidence today. First thing first, open the settings page on your phone. Once you are in the settings menu, scroll down, you can find the connection option, tap to open it. After in the connection page, scroll down very bottom, look for the more connection settings, click on them. Here you can find the private DNS option, tap on it. Right now my private DNS set as default by automatic recommended. If you decide to set as your own private DNS, or if you like to set up, simply tap on the private DNS provider hostname. After that, in the enter hostname of DNS provider section, type the DNS such as I am type dns.adgar.com. After that, hit save and you can automatically enable private DNS on Samsung phone. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, like, subscribe and share for more easy Samsung tips and Android tutorials every single day. Bye, take care everyone.